Once upon a time, in the mystical kingdom of Elysia, there lived a young and enchanting princess named Lumina. She was not like any ordinary princess. Her beauty radiated like the soft glow of a moonbeam, and her heart was as pure as the crystal-clear waters of the kingdom's enchanted lake. Elysia was a land of magic and wonder, where the trees whispered secrets to the wind and the flowers bloomed in every color imaginable. The kingdom was ruled by Lumina's wise and just parents, King Alaric and Queen Seraphina. They had always known there was something extraordinary about their daughter, something beyond her breathtaking appearance. Lumina possessed a unique gift, the ability to communicate with the creatures of the forest. She could understand the language of the birds, the chatter of the squirrels, and even the wisdom of the ancient oaks. This remarkable gift made her beloved by both her people and the creatures of the kingdom. One sunny morning, as Lumina strolled through the royal gardens, she heard a distressed cry coming from a nearby thicket. Rushing towards the sound, she discovered a wounded unicorn named Stardust, his shimmering coat tarnished and a thorn embedded in his hoof. Lumina gently removed the thorn and tended to the unicorn's wound. In gratitude, Stardust pledged a lifelong bond with Lumina, granting her the ability to call upon him whenever she needed his help. With Stardust by her side, Lumina's adventures grew in scope. Together, they rescued lost travelers, protected the kingdom from mystical threats, and aided creatures in need. But as Lumina grew older, she became aware of a growing darkness on the horizon. The kingdom's magic was waning, and the once bountiful forests were withering. Determined to save her beloved Elysia, Lumina embarked on a quest to restore the kingdom's magic. Guided by the wisdom of the ancient oaks, she sought out the fabled starlight crystal, a legendary gem said to possess the power to renew magic in the land. Her journey was fraught with challenges, from treacherous enchanted forests to riddles posed by mythical creatures. Along the way, she forged alliances with kind-hearted elves and befriended a mischievous talking fox named Jasper, who became her loyal companion. After many trials and adventures, Lumina finally reached the heart of the enchanted woods, where the starlight crystal was said to rest. She faced a final test of courage and selflessness, proving her worthiness to wield its power. With the crystal in hand, Lumina returned to Elysia and used its magic to heal the land, bringing life and vibrancy back to her kingdom. Her noble quest complete, Lumina ruled Elysia alongside her parents, ensuring that its magic flourished for generations to come. She remained a beacon of light, not just for her people, but for all the creatures of the kingdom, proving that true beauty lies not just in appearance, but in the kindness of one's heart and the courage to protect what you love. And so the story of Princess Lumina, the radiant guardian of Elysia, became a legend whispered among the enchanted trees, a tale of magic, friendship, and the enduring power of goodness in a world filled with wonder.